Notice how the difficulty of this problem increases successively each time I write a new problem. That is, today's problem is more difficult than yesterday's. On this one, it's 4x squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. The first step, I have to get this equation into a standard form. We see that it is not in a standard form. So that's what I'm gonna start with. The first thing, I'm going to divide all this equation by 4, which becomes x squared plus 5 over 4x minus 6 over 4, which is equals to 0. The next step, I'm going to take out this negative 6 over 4 to the right hand side. So I get x squared plus 5 over 4x equal to 6 over 4. So at this point, I have to complete a square. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna divide 5 over 4 by 2, then square it, which becomes 25 over 64. So I'm gonna add it on the left hand side and add it on the right hand side, plus 25 over 64. Notice how after adding 25 over 64, it transformed this quadratic equation into a perfect square trinomial. Now, I'm going to convert it to being a binomial square so that I can solve for x. So it's going to be x plus 5 over 8 all squared, which is equal to, and on the right hand side I have 6 over 4 plus 25 over 64, which can be summarized as 121 over 64. Now I have the power sign on the left hand side. To get rid of it, I have to introduce the square root sign. Now squaring these, I'm gonna be left with x plus 5 over 8 on the left hand side, which is equals to, now you have to be careful here because most learners make mistake of forgetting this. You have to write plus or minus the square root of 121 over 64. That is, I'm gonna have x equals to minus 5 over 8 plus 11 over 8, taking the square root of both, or x equals to negative 5 over 8 minus 11 over 8. So those are my two solutions. If you haven't yet, please leave a like and subscribe, or share this video to your friends and family and see if they can solve this. Catch you guys again tomorrow. Have a nice day.